Pardon, Priestess, but you've been staring out across Ashenvale for hours.
I sense something dark stirring within the forest, Chandris. It feels as if it's heading this way.
The greenskins who killed Cenarius?
Perhaps. Perhaps something more.
Put your backs into it. Jaina and the Orc War Chief expect this base to be built swiftly.
We shouldn't even be here, or siding with the orcs.
We're here to hunt the remaining demons, human. You're lucky our goals are the same.
All right, you men. Mind your business. Back to work.
So, these orcs and humans presume to run rampant through our lands? They will regret ever stepping foot into Ashenvale. We will establish a base and deal with these outlanders as they deserve. The goddess calls.
Let's get going.
Someone threatens the wilds? The Tree of Life is the heart of our Night Elf villages. Use the tree's ability to entangle the gold mine. After entangling the mine, send wisps in to extract gold. Ashrathoraman.
We are preparing to leave this place, Priestess. There is a terrible evil corrupting these lands, and I will not allow it to consume my people. Unfortunately, we cannot leave until the rest of our tribe has been accounted for.
Do not fear, Old One. I will find your tribesmen and lead them back to you.
Thank you, Priestess. We will reward you when you return.
Ashrathoraman. I heed the voice. To train more troops, construct an ancient of war.
Absolutely.
The goddess calls. I heed the voice of Elune.
Fair enough.
Ashrathoraman. By Elune.
Your building is complete.
Someone threatens the wilds? Someone threatens the wilds?
I await your command.
Point the way. Fire. On your mark. All too easy. I stand ready. Waiting on you.
Ashrathoraman.
Your move. Say no more. Waiting on you.
The goddess
Your
calls.
move.
Someone
On
threatens
your
the
mark.
wilds?
Point the way. Fair enough. Done. All too easy. Fair enough. On your mark.
Your building
away.
is complete.
Say no more.
I heed the voice of Elune.
Your move. Done. Say no more.
I'm listening.
Ashrathoraman.
Point the way.
The goddess calls. Immediately. By Elune.
Waiting on
Bandu Thoribas mortals. You will pay for defiling these lands. By
I
Elune.
stand ready.
So be it. I heed the voice of Elune.
On your mark. On your mark.
So be it. Immediately.
Your move.
I heed the voice of Elune. So be it.
Many thanks, priestess. Now we can evacuate the village. Please accept the aid of our champion. He will protect your life with his own.
Your offer is a generous one. May Elune light your path to safety. Ashrathoraman. Immediately.
Done. Point the way.
I heed the voice of the moon. Someone opens the wire.
On your mark. Say no more. Waiting on you.
The goddess calls. Ashrathoraman.
Point the way. Waiting on you.
Someone opens the wire. Ashrathoraman.
Let's get going. Cry for mercy. No problem.
I heed the voice of the moon.
Fair enough.
The goddess calls.
Say no more.
Someone opens the wire. As the goddess wills.
All too easy.
Ashrathoraman.
On your mark.
The goddess calls. I heed the voice of Elune. Elune gives me strength.
It's the undead! Defend yourselves!
They must have followed us from Lordaeron.
Come and save us. The dead advance in waves.
We are no match for a force this fast. Quickly, my sisters, back to the trees.